This is a roping saddle I made in 1997. It's in the shop for some repair, and kind of turned into a project. Needed a new padded seat, and the cantle binding was ripped, so I wanted to do it right. I put a new cantle piece on it, new padded seat, and connecting straps here. It's very important on a saddle that's double rigged that the rigging in the front is protected right here, so that the D and the rigging will stay protected and last for many years. Can't beat a double rigged saddle, really. This saddle has 3-inch stirrup leathers. Down at the bottom of the fender, I kind of reinforced that and beefed it up and covered some new 3-inch deep ropers. Yep. Actually, those are 2.5-inch deep ropers. Okay, I've got to lace my flank strap on this side. Got the holes punched. I've got my string prepped. I'll show you my string. This is a lace leather string. That's about right in there at 4 to 5 ounce, and it's beveled. And then I've got some of this Phoebing's white paste saddle soap. That's what I use to slick this up. Then I wet it a little bit, and that makes it slick enough that I can slide it through these holes. I'll show you how I lace this. Take my lace string and pull that down through there like that. Get it even, pull it on down a little more. Now I cross over, and I'll take my Osborne saddler awl right here, enlarge those holes a little bit. Pull that up pretty snug. String is pretty slick. That's what I want. So that allows that everything to pull down good and tight. Now I take the strings and pull both of them down through that hole. Now, with my saddler's awl, I enlarge these holes. Next thing, flip this over. Now I'm going to pull these strings down, tighten them up. I'm going to use a pair of elastic pliers. it's a little loose. I'm gonna give that an extra tug. Yep, got it. Now that I've got that pulled down taut, cut that off like that, slight angle, so it looks neat on the back side. Now, take my big maul here, rest it on top of my knee kinda, and then take this hammer and tap the lace down, and then square it up a little bit.